Here we come to the elevators in the newer wing at the North Carolina Museum of Natural Sciences in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. These are ThyssenKrupp Synergy MRL. We're gonna write that one later on. Here's this one. I figured I'd do an updated take on these elevators. B2, B1, R4. One. You hear the brakes. I think the rear door opens the basement floors. I'm not sure about the roof though. There's no phone in there. Oh, there's already a phone. These are your fixtures. They used to have the white vanity traditional fixtures, but they replaced the button. You going up? All right, thankfully it's working. Now this one does not have a rear door. What floor would you like? This one doesn't chime. Have a great day. Have a great day. So as I was saying, these used to have the white traditional fixtures, but they replaced them with matte halo. I get a quick cab. You see, this is just like the other one, except it doesn't have a rear door. There's Big Brother. What floor would you like?
One, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. ThyssenKrupp Synergy. All right, let's get off here. Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day. All right, we're gonna watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.